In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom subdomain from Hostinger to Firebase hosting. First, open your project in the Firebase console. In the left menu under Build, select Hosting. If this is your first time using hosting, click Get Started and complete the quick setup prompts. On the hosting dashboard, choose Add Custom Domain. Type your full subdomain, like blog.example.com or app.yourdomain.com, and continue. Firebase will show a TXT record with a specific host and a unique verification value. Copy both exactly as shown. This TXT record proves you own the domain and is required before traffic can be routed to Firebase. Now switch to your Hostinger H panel. Go to the Domains or Websites section and open the DNS Zone Editor or Manage DNS Records for your main domain. Add a new TXT record. For type, choose TXT. In the host or name field, enter the host that Firebase provided. Depending on your setup, this might be the subdomain label, such as blog, or a full host name. In the value or data field, paste the long verification string from Firebase. Leave the TTL at its default and save. A quick tip, make sure you're editing DNS where your domain is actually managed. If your name servers point elsewhere, add the record with that provider. Also, avoid extra spaces when pasting the value. Head back to Firebase and click Verify in the Connect Domain window. DNS changes can take time, so verification might complete in minutes or sometimes a few hours. Once Firebase confirms ownership, it will display two IPv4 addresses to use as A records. Copy both of those IPs. They're what direct your subdomain traffic to Firebase's servers. Return to your Hostinger DNS management and add two new A records. For each one, set type to A. In the host or name field, enter your subdomain label, like blog. In the value or points to field, paste the first IP address, save, then repeat for the second IP. Keep TTL at the default. It's important that you don't have conflicting A or C name records for the same host, as that can cause inconsistent routing. After you've saved everything, allow time for DNS propagation. In many cases, it's fast, but it can take up to 24 hours depending on your DNS. When propagation completes, visiting your subdomain should serve your Firebase site over HTTPS. You can monitor status in the Firebase hosting dashboard, and if you've just deployed a site, it will appear automatically once DNS is active. If you don't see changes right away, try a private window or a DNS checker to confirm your records.